Okay guys, welcome in part 5, and this is the last part in this lesson. Look at this diagram. Here we have a rectangle, okay, and inside the rectangle we have three other shapes: triangle, square, and trapezoid. By using this diagram, I want to find the probability that a point chosen randomly inside the rectangle. Type for each shape. For example, first I want to find the triangle. Okay, don't forget, here we are going to use the area. Number one, I want to use the triangle. By using the area of the triangle and using the area of the whole sample space, we can find the probability easily. Okay, type the area of the triangle. Do you remember the area of the triangle? It's half base times height. Okay, and we are going to compare between the area of the triangle and the area of the rectangle, which is let's find the area of the triangle first. So it's gonna be half times the base the base of the triangle, which is 10, times the length of the height, which is 10 as well. It's gonna gives 50 feet square. This is the area of the triangle. Right. So now the probability. First, let's find the area of rectangle. Area of rectangle. The dimensions of the rectangle here: 24 and 48. The area of rectangle is length times width. So we are going to multiply 24 by 48. 24 by 48 equals 1152 feet square. This is the area of rectangle. Now I want to find the probability. So the probability now is P equal the outcomes of the event. Which is the event here? The area of the triangle or the area of the rectangle? Yes, the area of the triangle, because we said that the area of the the outcomes of the event is any set of the sample space. So it's gonna be area of triangle over area of rectangle. So it's gonna be 50 over 1152. And to simplify this result, it's gonna be equals 25 over 576. This is the first probability. Number two, I want to find the probability of the trapezoids. I want to find the probability of the trapezoids. Remember, the area of trapezoid equal half times base 1 plus base 2 times the height. Base 1 plus base 2 times height. Let's substitute. It's gonna be half times base 1, which is 12, plus base 2, which is 18. All of these times the length of the height, which is 6. Let's calculate it. Half times 12 plus 18 times 6. This gives 90 feet square. So now let's find the probability. The probability will be the outcomes of the event over the outcomes of the sample space. So it's gonna be 90 over the total area of the rectangle, 1152. 1152. This gives 5 over 24. Number 3, the last one, the area of the square. Where the square? This is the square. Let's find the probability of the square. Find the area first. Area of square equals side square, and the side length here is 10. So it's 10 squares, which is 100 feet. 100 feet square. 100 feet square. So the probability will be the area of square over the area of the rectangle, 100 over 1152. 100 over 1152. This is gives 25,288. This is the last value. If the question has asked you to round the result to the nearest any digit, okay, so convert each fraction here. Where's the first probability? Yes, this is the first probability. This is the second probability, and this is the third one. Okay, easily we can convert each one to decimal and round to the nearest required digit if this is required. Thank you. This is the last part of our lesson. Hope to be satisfied. Thank you. Bye bye.